The house is finally quiet. The kids are asleep. The hum of the fridge is the only sound. And you're standing in the kitchen, staring at a pile of dishes and a stack of bills. You're worn out from the day, but those bills are whispering for attention, you sigh, wishing for just a little more breathing room. Most days are a blur of school drop-offs, grocery runs, answering emails, and finding lost socks. You tell yourself you'll get to the budget later, but later never comes. The thought of hours with spreadsheets makes you want to run the other way. And then there are the moments when a surprise expense pops up, a car repair, a school trip, or a last-minute birthday gift. Suddenly, you're scrambling, wondering where the money will come from. It feels like you're always one step behind. But what if you could get control of your money in less time than it takes to fold a load of laundry? No marathon spreadsheet sessions, no stress, just 15 focused minutes a week. A little time, big results, and more room for family fun. If you've got just 15 minutes a week, you can take control of your budget. Yes, even with a house full of kids, it's easier than you think. And it can change everything about how you feel with money. Imagine breathing easier. Knowing every dollar has a job, let's make that happen. Hi, I'm Betty, and welcome to Budget Betty, where busy moms learn simple, stress-free ways to take control of their money. This is Budget Betty. Real tips, real moms, real savings. I'm here to make money feel less overwhelming and way more doable for you. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a money-saving tip that actually works for your busy life. Every week we'll tackle one small change that makes a big impact. Let's make budgeting feel like a win, not a chore. This video is for educational purposes only. Make sure to adapt every tip to your family's unique needs. What works for one home might not work for another. And that's okay. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple 7-step routine you can do in just 15 minutes a week. You'll feel more in control, less stressed, and more confident about where your money is going. So grab a pen, get comfy, and let's make your budget work for you, not the other way around. This is your time to finally feel good about your money. Your first step is to pick a budget time. Same day, same time each week. Think of it like meeting your best friend for coffee. It's short, fun, and you always leave feeling good. Consistency makes it a habit you don't have to think twice about. The more regular it is, the easier it becomes to stick with. Treat this time as a non-negotiable appointment. Imagine it's like your kid's soccer game. You wouldn't just skip it because you're busy. Protect this time from distractions and make it part of your weekly rhythm. Your future self will thank you for showing up every single time. Keep it cozy so it feels like something you actually look forward to. Sit at your kitchen table with your favorite drink. Maybe light a candle and make it your little moment of calm. This isn't a chore, it's self-care for your wallet. When it's enjoyable, you're far more likely to keep doing it. Here's your quick win for this week. Just pick your money date and put it on the calendar. That's it. Don't overthink it. Just choose a day and mark it down. You'll be amazed at how one small step can get the momentum going. Welcome, busy moms. Today, we're tackling budgeting in a way that's quick, simple, and actually kind of fun. Forget spreadsheets that take hours. This method only needs 15 minutes a week. And trust me, you'll feel like you just found buried treasure in your own wallet. Step 1. Think of your budget like sorting laundry. Instead of socks and shirts, we're sorting where your money goes. This keeps the chaos under control, so you're not hunting for missing dollars at the end of the month. Step 2. Focus on the big 3 categories. First, housing, food, and transportation. Most families spend the bulk of their money here, so getting these under control makes the biggest difference fast. Quick win this week. Just write down rough amounts for each of your big 3. Don't stress about perfect accuracy. Think of it like a treasure map. The details will lead you closer to the goal. First, just log in and take a peek at your accounts. Think of it like opening the fridge before you go grocery shopping. You're just checking what's there. No stress, no deep dive. Just a quick glance. This is the warm-up before the money workout. Scan your bank and credit card activity. You're on the lookout for anything that feels off, a charge you don't remember, or a bill that's slowly sneaking higher. It's like spotting a suspicious shadow on your adventure trail. Quick eyes save big headaches. Red flags are your warning signs. A strange charge, that's like a trap on the trail. A bill that's grown bigger, that's like a river suddenly flooding your path. Catch it now, and you can find a way around before it slows your journey. Here's your quick win. Cancel one small service you don't use anymore. It's like dropping a heavy backpack you didn't realize you were carrying. Instantly, you feel lighter and have more space for what matters. Think of your money as a team of tiny, hard-working employees. Each dollar is waiting for you to tell it exactly what to do. If you don't assign them jobs, they'll wander off into things you don't really need. Let's put them to work before they get distracted. Before you spend a single penny, decide where it's going. Is it buying fresh veggies for dinner? Or filling up your gas tank for the week? Every dollar gets a clear purpose. Like giving your team a daily mission. That way, no one is standing around doing nothing. When you give every dollar a job ahead of time, you stay in control. You're not reacting to surprise expenses, you're ready for them. It's like steering your ship instead of drifting wherever the wind blows. You become the captain of your own financial journey. Here's your quick win. Before you go to the store, set your spending limit. Stick to it like it's part of your mission. When you return, you'll know exactly where every dollar went. And that feels like a victory every single time. Sometimes our budgets get cluttered with little expenses we barely notice. It's like tidying a kitchen counter. Small actions keep the mess from piling up. Today, let's do a save sweep and clear the clutter from our spending. First, check if you're paying for two similar services. If you are, drop one and keep the one you love most. It's like realizing you've been carrying two heavy backpacks. Why not ditch the extra? Swap one restaurant meal for a fun at-home night. Light some candles, make a simple meal, and turn it into an adventure. You'll save money and create memories at the same time. Finally, skip just one impulse buy this week and notice how it feels. You might be surprised it can actually feel empowering. Every little choice adds up to big wins over time. Sometimes, life's surprises aren't so fun, like forgetting a bill until the last minute. But if you peek ahead, you can see what's coming. Think of it like checking the weather before a big day out. You avoid getting caught in a financial storm. Look ahead for birthdays, school events, or appointments. These are like checkpoints in your journey. You know they're coming, so you can prepare. A little planning now saves a lot of stress later. It's about steering your ship before the waves hit. Move some money now, before you need it. It's like packing snacks before a road trip. You won't be scrambling at the last gas station. When you're ready ahead of time, you feel in control, not in panic mode. That's the real win here. Even paying one bill early can save you from a late fee. That's money you keep for your family instead of giving it away. Think of it as dodging a trap on your adventure. Every small win keeps your journey smooth and fun. All right, team, quick check-in before we start the week. We've all got our rules. Just like before a big game, this is our little money huddle where everyone's voice matters. Even if it's just 5 minutes, we can start the week feeling like a united crew. Let's start with the good news. One thing we did well with money this week. It could be finding a great deal or sticking to our budget on groceries. Every small win counts, and it's worth smiling about. Celebrating it keeps us motivated for the next challenge. We keep it short, so it doesn't feel like a lecture. Just a few laughs, a quick story, and we're done. The point is to make money talks feel friendly, not heavy. That way, everyone stays open and involved. When we work together like this, even the kids learn how to handle money wisely. It's not just budgeting, it's building a family culture of teamwork. And that makes every challenge feel more like an adventure. Now, we're ready to tackle the week ahead. In just 15 minutes a week, set your money date. Focus on the big 3, Do a check-in, give your dollars jobs, sweep for savings, peek ahead, and huddle with your family. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It's about consistency, not perfection. Like this video, subscribe to Budget Betty, and share it with a friend who needs a little money peace of mind. Tell me in the comments, what's your best quick budgeting tip? Let's swap ideas and cheer each other on. This is Budget Betty. Real tips, real moms, real savings. Take care of your family, take care of your money, and take care of you. See you next week.